Hi, my name is Trisha G. Vicente. I am currently taking up a Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management at Arellano University Andres Bonifacio campus, where I am a consistent Dean's Lister and a scholar of the city government of Pasig. I also consider myself a student leader as I actively take responsibility in a group activities, events, and academic projects. At the same time, I am a working student, which has helped me develop strong time management skills and ability to balance my academic and professional responsibilities effectively. I have a strong interest in the hospitality industry, particularly in food and beverage sector, and I'm eager to apply my academic knowledge, leadership skills, and work values in a professional international environment. I am currently working as a service crew at McDonald's in Pasig City. In this role, I am responsible for taking customer orders, preparing and serving food, handling point-of-sale transactions, and maintaining cleanliness and efficiency in daily operations. Previously, I completed my on-the-job training at Traily Tours and Travel, where I developed strong customer service and communication skills. In addition, I have participated in several relevant trainings, including the Viking Dine and Learn Live cooking show and bar mixology, as well as the Sofitel immersion program. These experiences enhance my understanding of service standards, teamwork, and professional conduct in the hospitality industry. One of my strongest qualities is being responsible, hardworking, and adaptable in fast-paced environment. As a student leader, working student, I am used to managing my time effectively while balancing my studies and work responsibilities. One area I am continuously improving is my confidence in public speaking, which I have been developing through training, presentations, and work experience. My immediate career goal is to gain practical experience as an intern in the food and beverage department, learn from industry professionals, and contribute to the excellent guest experience. In the future, I aim to build a successful career in hospitality industry and eventually take on a leadership roles in food and beverage operations. Again, I'm Tricia G. Vicente. I am motivated, reliable, and committed to growth. As a scholar, student leader, and a customer service professional, I bring strong discipline, effective time management skills, and a solid work ethic. I'm eager to learn, adapt, and represent your organization with professionalism and integrity. Thank you.